Think about the most famous symbol of the Royal Air Force, the Red Arrows. Their iconic red jets flying in perfect formation, painting the sky with red, white and blue smoke. For decades, they have represented British engineering, pride and precision to audiences across the world. But here's the problem. Their jets, the Hawk T1, are old, very old. By the year 2030, they will no longer be safe to fly. And now a surprising twist. Scotland could be the place where their next generation of jets is built. This is not just about airplanes, it's about jobs, politics, pride and the future of British aerospace. Let's break it down step by step. On September 6th, 2025, during the Ayrshire Festival of Flight, a major deal was signed. The British aircraft company Aeralis reached an agreement with Glasgow Prestwick Airport. Under this plan, the airport in Ayrshire could become the assembly site for the Red Arrow's new jets. Just imagine it, aircraft built in Scotland, flying as ambassadors of Britain across the globe. So, who exactly is Aeralis? Unlike big names like Boeing or Airbus, Aeralis is a much smaller, homegrown company. But they are unique. They are the only UK company designing a new manned light jet at the moment. Their concept is based on something called modular design. In simple terms, it means one aircraft body can be adapted for different roles just by changing wings, engines or internal systems. For the Red Arrows, this could be perfect. A jet custom-built for aerobatics but sharing its design with other RAF training aircraft. Now the question is, why Scotland? Why Prestwick Airport in Ayrshire? The answer lies in both history and opportunity. Prestwick used to be a hub for aerospace work, but over time that faded. In 2013, the Scottish government even had to nationalise the airport to save it. Since then, they've worked hard to bring aerospace projects back. Today, Prestwick has the infrastructure, the space and the ambition. Aeralis CEO Tristan Crawford even said Scotland is a strong contender. He described a future where jets assembled in Ayrshire are flying proudly at the International Airshow. So this is about much more than aircraft. It's about reviving Scotland's aviation legacy. This deal could be a huge boost for Scotland's economy. We're not just talking about a handful of jobs. We are talking about hundreds of skilled positions in engineering and manufacturing. It also means opportunities for apprenticeships, for local students, for aerospace graduates. Imagine students at Ayrshire College training to work on planes that are later cheered on by millions at international airshows. But here's where the urgency comes in. The Red Arrow's current Hawk T1 jets are on their last legs. These aircraft entered service in the late 1970s. Over the years, the RAF has had to raid retired planes just to find spare parts. By 2030, these jets simply cannot continue. Without a replacement, the Red Arrows, the pride of the RAF, could actually face grounding. That would be unthinkable. So this deal with Aeralis is not just exciting, it is essential. So, to wrap up, the Red Arrow's current jets are running out of time. By 2030, they must be replaced. And now a new deal means Scotland is in the front seat to build their successors. For Scotland, it's jobs and pride. And for Britain, it's about keeping one of its most powerful symbols alive. The next time you see the Red Arrows streak across the sky, remember those jets may soon carry a new story, one that begins in Ayrshire.